what had to be done to make, because there was, I mean, engine management was different. Ride plate was different. There was quite a few things that you had to stop and focus on. Can you tell us a little bit about that? You know, changing up your product line?
Yes, Kawasaki done a pretty good job of keeping me out of that ECU. It was a very hard ECU to crack. Please don't do that to me again. I dropped about $75,000 and probably nearly a year to crack that ECU.
Oh,
it was a hard job. I gave up on that a couple of times. It's like, you're just killing me here. But anyway, I ended up getting into it and doing what we needed to do, and it's working well.
Okay.
I've just made a new tune as well. That we've just put out. There's a few people buying that now. It's a lot softer.
Okay, that's an interesting. That was an interesting thing that we made an announcement on in the magazine.
Yeah.
What was the name of it? It's
an Endurance Plus.
Endurance, the Endurance Plus tune.
Yeah.
Okay. And it was interesting because Marty had to hit me upside the head and he goes, "No, you got it wrong." And he had to correct me twice on it. And my understanding is that it operates like a SCOM tune, but then the longer you're in it, it becomes a stage 1.
No, so I'll give you the background of it. I raced the Mark Hahn, the last one gone, and from turn 2 over to the Californian side, turn 3 there, the side chop was quite large and it just kept throwing you. And then from turn 3 down to side 6 at Havasu, they were very short and they stood up, the waves stood up. So on FPO mode, the ski that I was on has a lot of power. So the trigger was quite, let's say, trigger throttle, I guess, just so I swapped it over to eco mode, which made the throttle a lot easier to ride going over these waves that are trying to toss you backwards.
Okay.
And then I had Les Cook on his Sea-Doo beside us, and we were having good battles in the chop. But then when we come from site 6 across the front of Crazy Horse, it was flat.
Right.
And Les was able to pull the throttle on that Sea-Doo of his and just blast on by, whereas I was still stuck in eco mode.
Right.
That's going to change. So essentially I've made like an eco mode or a medium power mode, but when you need the full power, just pull the trigger and you're full Kspeed.
Okay, so it's more of a gentle throttle response.
Gentle throttle response.
Right, but when you're hammered, you get full tilt.
That's it. And that's what it was. Okay. So in that situation, I could have been using the softer throttle in the chop part, and then going from site 6 up past Crazy Horse, I could have,
reeled them in,
been full throttle and kept up with Les,
Okay. That's really interesting. And so is that option for that tune, to my understanding, is that kind of replaces the medium power setting, right?
It does, yes.
Okay. Yeah. And that is on your stage 1 tune?
I made a tune box so that you can tune at home.
Yes.
Well, it's not tune at home. You can reflash yourself at home. We had 2 things. Like I'm obviously down here in Australia. I don't plan on moving. Unfortunately, we do like it down here, and my family is all down here. Some people thought it was a bit tough to send out of America in case it, fell off the planet or something. I'm here. I'm genuinely here. You can send it to me. So I put it in a box that you can do it yourself.
Correct. Here, let me bring it up right now for everyone to see.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
There we are.
It's
This is
been
the new
selling quite
tuner.
well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the new handheld tuner available through Kspeed. And are you able to tune multiple units,
No,
or does it imprint with the VIN on that one?
it imprints with the VIN. So
Imprints on the VIN.
you're paying for the tune, and you've just got to pay me a small amount for the box. But
Okay.
in that box, I provide the normal stage 1 tune that I've always had, but we do the MPO Endurance Plus tune and the K-Spin. So
So
you're
you
paying a
can
little
go.
bit more to buy the box, but you're getting a little extra as a byproduct,
Okay. All right. And then of course,
But
if when you sell it, when you sell your, if you choose to sell your ski, you can revert it back to stock.
yes.
And now, I was always curious about this. Let's say I have a 2023, but 24 Kawasaki surprises everyone and comes out with the R model, and I want to go get the R model or whatever. And I sell my 23. Do I call you and can I have my tune box updated so that I can tune my new ski?
Most likely not. Like
Okay.
so the box is quite cheap compared to like the map tuner, for example. So the
All
map
right.
tuner you can move it along different skis.
Okay.
Mine will probably stay with the ski.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah, but it's a lot cheaper to buy too. Like you're paying
Yeah.
kind of for the box and the cables, and you leave it with the ski.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.